You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting name of a city in England. For more names from the UK that are confusing, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So in the UK, in British English, it is said as Exeter. That's how they would say it locally. Exeter. Exeter. The stress is on the first syllable. Now the Americans, whether that's relevant or not, would say it as Exeter. Exeter in American English. But locally, Exeter. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.